Hi there guys, Sasha here from TT Liquor. Today we're going to show another drink from our new cocktail class menu, and it's a non-alcoholic version of a gin, Elderflower Julep. And for this we teamed up with our friends from Lyre. So over to you, Kay.
Alright guys, it's Kay at TT Liquor once again. This is a non-alc version of our gin and elderflower julep. So the first thing I'm going to be putting into my julep tin is going to be some lemon juice. I've got a quarter of a lemon here. I'm just going to give it a squeeze into there. Then I'm going to use my muddler just to give it a little bit of a mush and get the juice out of it. Now the next thing going in here is going to be some fresh mint. So I've got some mint here and I want to pick kind of a handful of mint leaves, maybe around 6 to 8 mint leaves. I'm just going to give them a little slap and a rub between my hands to bruise the leaves. And I'm going to chuck them in there with my lemon. Now we want 40 mils of our Lyre's Dry London. Got some lovely Elderflower Cordial here, and we're going to go in with 25 mils of our Elderflower Cordial. Got a bottle of cloudy apple juice here. Give it a little shake. And we want 25 mils or 1 shot of our cloudy apple juice. So I'm going to fill this cup about 2/3 of the way up with crushed ice to start with. So I've filled my cup about 2/3 of the way up with crushed ice. I'm going to take my bar spoon, cover the top of the cup with my hand so nothing flies out, get my spoon in there and use it to give this a good old mix. Here we go. So I'm going to take a nice big scoop of crushed ice. I'm going to pile it on top of my drink, like so. And finally, for a garnish, I'm just going to grab myself a nice mint sprig. Here we go. I'm just going to pop that in the edge of my glass here. And that is our alcohol-free gin and elderflower julep ready to drink.